Teso North or South? Teso North. So Honorable Oku Kaunya from Teso North. Tafadhali. Joturwa kawuono wane liel kata ng'ato bedo ni majority leader to kung'iyo ahinya kamano ung'iyo tu uling.
Asante sana Baba, our Right Honorable Speaker, the governors, CSS and members of parliament and all protocols observed. My name is Oku Kaunya, Member of Parliament for Teso North. I served with Were in the Committee of National Cohesion and Equal Opportunity of the National Assembly, but I'm going to speak on three things. One, I'm going to speak, I had the opportunity and the pleasure to be given to represent Parliament by the Honorable Speaker in the autopsy process that was carried out during the post-mortem. And I want to say that the assassin, what came out of the autopsy, which was carried out, the assassin pumped 5 bullets to our late brother, Honorable Ong'ondo, and the 5 bullets, 4 bullet heads were recovered. And in these 5 bullets, they were all on target. The first bullet hit the aorta, which is the main artery that carries the blood. The second bullet hit the liver. The third bullet hit the heart. The fourth bullet hit both the left and the right lungs. And the fifth bullet apparently ended up at the spine, and out of that, from the outside, there are 2 bullets that were hit. Either the honorable member was on phone or he was trying to protect himself. On the hand, on the upper part here, 1 bullet went through and a bullet head was recovered. On the lower part, which where the watch at the wrist, it hit the watch. Parts of the watch were recovered inside his body, and it went through. We don't know. Of these bullets, one of them went through the back and exited this side. So the conclusion of the chief government pathologist was that it was not possible for Ong'ondo to survive, and it's most likely he died instantly or before he reached the hospital. A very unfortunate situation. I wanted to report that, Right Honorable Prime Minister, because I had the opportunity to witness what happened. Secondly, I want to say on behalf of the Committee of National Cohesion and Equal Opportunity, chaired by Honorable Adan Yusuf Haji, who is not with us because of unavoidable circumstances. He sent his tribute, which is on page 20 of this program. I'm not going to read, but briefly, our chairman of the committee said Ong'ondo served the committee diligently with honesty, and he championed the rights of the minorities, the youth, the women, because that committee enforces or oversights on the implementation of key articles, Article 232 and other articles that emphasize the need for equity. He was also in the committee the person who stood for the truth. And in this particular case, our chairman asked that the government, especially the police, come out with the truth about who the killers are. Finally, Honorable Prime Minister, I want to say that on behalf of the people of Teso North, whom I represent, my own behalf and the family, and the people of Busia. I want to pass my condolences to the family and pray that God rests my friend's soul in peace. Ong'ondo Were, we knew each other very well. He visited me when I buried my father. He was there. And again, I visited this constituency with the committee a number of times. So may God rest his soul in peace. And the family, we pray for you. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you, Mheshimiwa. Let me invite Honorable Engineer Paul Nzengu, who was also with him in the Committee of Blue Economy, National Cohesion, and was a true friend. We've been with Honorable Paul since yesterday morning until today. And he was also with us at home. Thank you, Mheshimiwa.
Asante. Your Excellency, Raila Amolo Odinga, all protocols observed. Mimi naitwa Paul Nzengu, mbunge wa Mwingi North, na niko na kofia mbili leo. Kofia ya kwanza ni mimi kama mbunge wa Mwingi North, na leta rambirambi zangu na za familia yangu na watu wa Mwingi North. Na tena naleta rambirambi za watu wa Ukambani yote, including my party leader, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka. You are aware that we lost an MCA in Nairobi, and the MCA is being buried today. So Mheshimiwa Kalonzo ameenda huko. Were aliwahi kuniambia kwamba walikuwa marafiki sana na Kalonzo. Kuna wakati mwingine Raila na Kalonzo wakaenda Meru, na akaniambia kwamba kulikuwa na mambo kidogo kidogo pale, na akaingililia kusaidia ile kampeni ya Meru. Ni kofia ya pili. Were was my friend and a colleague. We joined the parliament in 2017. We were nominated to the Committee of Water, National Resources, and together with Rosa Buyu, who is here with us. And in 2022, when we were re-elected, we joined the same committee. And I found myself with Were in the National Cohesion Committee as well. Our vice chair is here. I don't know whether Tayama can stand up. Yes, that is the vice chair for Blue Economy Committee. And our chair sent his condolence, and his tribute is written on page 22 of the program. Na nilikuwa nataka kusema ya kwamba yale maneno yote ambayo yamesemwa kuhusu Were, yote ni ya ukweli, ukweli mtupu. Were alikuwa na msimamo mkali katika committee. He was one of the most vibrant members of parliament. He would never come late for committee meetings, and he never shied away from telling state departments and ministries the truth. So tumepoteza shujaa mkubwa sana. As a committee, we are wondering how we are going to survive without Were. In the two committees, Were was a very reliable person. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Lastly, kings never die. Were ameenda. Your Excellency Raila Odinga, mimi nikiangalia familia ya Were naona mbunge wa Kasipul hapo. Kwa hiyo mimi ningeomba sana wakati mnaenda kama ODM kutafuta kiongozi wa kumreplace Were, kwa sababu Were hajakufa. Hii familia iko na watu wanatosha kumurithi Were. Asanteni sana.
Thank you very much. Honorable Were, when we reconstituted committees, me and Honorable Junet Mohammed, we consulted and we said that we are going to make him the vice chair because of his history and because of his popularity of the committees, and he died as the vice chair of the National Cohesion. Let me take this opportunity to call